Do you know there are 4 different types of deliveries on Uber Eats app? In this video, you will learn the 4 different types of deliveries exist on Uber Eats and which one is the most profitable. Make sure you watch this video until the end and don't forget to tell me in the comment section below which delivery did you see the most in your city. Let's get started right now. Welcome back guys to another video. That's your boy Luke. In this video, like I said before, I'm going to share with you the 4 different types of delivery exist on Uber Eats app. The first delivery I'm gonna cover right now is called delivery. This is the type of delivery we see every day where someone place an order directly from the restaurant, and after Uber just seen a driver go pick it up and drop it at the customer house. This type of delivery doesn't require any extra work. That's why Uber doesn't pay a lot for this type of delivery. It's just a simple delivery. That's why I call it normal delivery. In case to make money in this delivery, you're gonna need to work in a boost area or a search area. Otherwise, you're gonna have to get good tip from the customer to make money with this type of delivery. The second type of delivery I'm gonna cover right now is called package. Package is a type of delivery exists on Uber Eats app where it gives people access to send package like any stuff they want to send to their friends or families, and also it gives them access to order fresh food from local farms. But this kind of delivery sometimes required customer verifications. When you get to the customer house and activate somebody to scan their license, any kind of ID, so Uber know exactly who is get this package. And this type of delivery don't pay that much. It's just the same thing with the first one we just talked about, and they're gonna send you 4. Make sure you keep eyes on the mile. The third delivery I'm gonna cover right now is called Shop and Pay. Shop and Pay is a type of delivery people use to get stuff from CVS, Walgreens, and 7-Eleven, any local store in your area. When those order pop up in your screen, you're gonna see below next to the cart, it's gonna tell you exactly how many items you're gonna need to shop for the customer. And in case if it's a lot, you can find all of them, make sure you call the customer to tell them you cannot find all the items that they request, and maybe they can say, okay, bring me whatever that you have. So, and you tell them exactly which one is missing. If you don't see it, if they want to replace it by something else, you just do it for them. This kind of delivery requires some extra work because it's gonna take a few minutes to be complete. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna go to the store and you're gonna have to find those items, and after that you're gonna pay with the plus card. Uber gonna give it to you. You just swap it and you unload the receipt and you're good to go. Finally, you made it to the last delivery. One thing I want you to do for me right now, go ahead, destroy the like button now. The last delivery I'm gonna cover right now is called order or shop on arrival, but I'm just gonna call it order and pay. Order and pay is a type of delivery exists on Uber Eats app because some of the restaurants don't want to do business with Uber, but Uber has to find a way to make money with them still. So what does Uber do? It gives his customer access to go online, place the order, and after he send an Uber Eats driver to go ahead, place the order to the restaurant and wait for it and use the plus card to pay for it. So this type of delivery is the highest pay delivery on Uber Eats app because you required a lot of time. You're gonna spend more time in waiting because you're the one gonna do all the work, and for that reason Uber know that and it give you more money. So right now it's time to tell me which delivery did you see in your area and which one you don't see in your area. Let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to tell me where do you watch this video, and see you for another video. Peace.